Sorry about that. I caught the video because my dog's acting up. So, oh wait, I forgot that item over there. Master key, Mr. Key, Master Key, Master Chief. Just get up here. This is probably the last video of my session. Get wrecked. I'll try for that. Just Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty did not have a great fall, because I'm not falling. All the king's horses and all the king's men at Solaire. Couldn't piece them back together again. Oh well. Because Humpty Dumpty doesn't know how to sit on a wall. Basic knowledge you learn while growing. I guess he was made, huh? I guess he was laid. Ripping some chromosomes missing from him. He was kind of hurter, but you know, good for him if that's the case. Oh. Solace. Up there, and I kind of want to go down here and get this shield. I don't know why. Time to give him the schwiggity. Surprise! Got the vitamin D. Oh wait, he has something on his body. A boulder helmet. Man, I'm solaire, I don't need that. I'll change out my gloves and my pants. Sun for life. Who are you trying to fool? Trying to step on this turf? Step on nothing. The thing that sucks is the fact I'm going to have to walk all the way back. Once I hit that faith. Once I hit that faith. I want to go down here. I won't go over there just yet. Come down here. This guy's stuck in the gate. Basement key, which is what I need. The soldier helmet. Just get this done. Halberd. I actually like the halberd a lot, actually. Although, it wouldn't be that good one-handed. If I was doing a two-handed solo build, then yeah, I would go the halberd actually all the way. But for one-handers, nah, you need to find a good one-hander that only needs... I'm probably gonna make my strength requirement 16. Then I'll put my dex to about 18 so I can use some of the better bows. Yeah. That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna be going on. The Schwindel was about to go down. Just drink that. I am not looking forward to fighting him. That big tough guy over there. I don't think you ducked anything, right? No. Okay. I am the majestic solaire. Fear me. For I am all that is right in the world. Your puny arrows don't mean shite. And how did I guard that? And that was obviously... You know what? Not even gonna question it. Time to fight this asshole. He should just be the same tactic as I did for Solaire. I mean, not Solaire. That fight was retardedly long and drawn out. That was mid-boss. But the same fight as for Hovel. Try to coward hide behind your shield. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh! Oh god, please don't recover that fast. Okay, he didn't recover as fast as I thought he was going to be. Get that free hit in there. Screw you. You might be healing today. That great sword and that titanite slab. Titanite shard, oops. But slab. And then hurry up and get up here and grab this before I'm shot to death. Give me that firekeeper's soul. Oh, yeah, hey, he wasn't shooting Jack at me. It's nice to know. I hope to God that after the gargoyles I can use the gargoyle soul. I don't think I have any use for that. Hopefully. Hear this? This is where I'm gonna be upgrading my shield and shite. This is where the magic happens. Right downstairs. Oh. Okay, let's just see some equipment. No, 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 no. Old man McLoins, like, damage against that. No. Use this. Okay, well, I know for a fact we can't get the crest of Astora. I know for a fact.
Well,
I'm got the.
You must be a new arrival.
Got to farm souls for that.
If they're required.
Reinforced weapon. Oh, whoops. Reinforced weapon. Oh, I can reinforce this. It just needs twinkling titanite. I don't know if I want to waste that. I'll just upgrade this. Upgrade this again. Probably go up here and I'm not too keen on wasting that twinkling titanite just yet. I might upgrade my bow actually, but I'm gonna be getting a better bow here in a minute. Here soon. I already upgraded that. Oh, stretch. I'm probably gonna be farming twinkling titanite down the road anyways. But I need these levels for level ups. Repair. Purchase. Don't need, I need that. Weaponsmith box. Battle axe. Crescent axe. Anything. I need more arrows. Just need a gesture.
Oi, where are you off to?
No, where you need to know about. Second. Okay. Level up. Get this faith up there. Gargoyles might be a little pain, but this is it for this session. Oh, there's a pyromancer right there. Probably level 1. But anyway, oh no, you can be very easy some morning star. But yeah, this is it for this session. Join us next time on the Adventures of Solaire. I mean, so far we killed the clone that was trying to impersonate a Solaire himself, which I am currently. And we failed to hovel a bunch. We almost failed really hard on... We failed really hard and then almost failed again on the other Black Knight. Overall, I think we did pretty good. Well, until next time.